Question number 6. This is P degree, Q and R. Now in the question it is given that angle P equals to Q equals to R, and we have to find each. So name this one as A, B, C, D, and this is O. Again AOD, straight line, and straight angle is here, and that straight angle equals to 180 degree. Again you are having three angles, AOB, BOC, COD. It's very easy, and in all the questions, almost in this type of questions, you have to apply same concept. So AOD is a straight line, and you are having a straight angle at O. So angle AOB plus angle BOC plus angle COD will be equals to 180 degree. Now angle AOB, that means this angle is P, so we have to substitute P, plus BOC, so this angle is Q, that means we will write Q. Then COD, this angle is R, so we will write R, equals to 180 degree. Now in the question it is given that angle P is equals to Q equals to R. So you can solve this question in three ways. The first way is, let P as same P, plus in place of Q you can write P, plus in place of R you can write P. So you will get 180. Why we are writing P in place of Q and R? Because it is given in question angle P is equals to Q and angle P equals to R. So from here you will get 3P equals to 180, P equals to 180 by 3, so P equals to 60 degree. Now if P is 60 degree, that means Q is also 60 degree and R is also 60 degree. And the second way is, now in place of Q I am just writing Q, sorry, in the place of P I am writing Q, then Q will be same as it is, and in the place of R you can write Q. So Q plus Q plus Q, 3Q equals to 180. So finally Q equals to 180 by 3, so Q equals to 60 degree. Similarly for R you can do the same. So you can write only P or only Q or only R. The values will be same because P equals to Q and Q equals to R. These three angles are equal to each other. Then next question you can solve, in which you are having X and Y degree. So this is A, O, C, and this is B. This angle is X degree and this one is Y. So AOC is a straight line, a straight angle is here, and two angles are there, AOB plus BOC. This two will be equals to 180. Now AOB, value of AOB X and value of BOC Y equals to 180. Now in the question it is given that X equals to 2Y. So you will substitute here 2Y plus Y equals to 180. Solve this, you will get answer Y equals to 60 degree and this will be 120 degree. So like this you have to solve this question. And next question is question number 8. Question number 8 is same as question number 6. This is A, this one is B, and this one is C. P Q, R, S, and this will be O. Now in the question it is given that B degree equals to A degree plus C degree. We will use this value here and we have to find B only. So again POS is a straight line, a straight angle is here which equals to 180 degree, and three angles we are having here and we have to name them. The first is POQ, second is QOR, and third is ROS. So POQ plus QOR plus ROS equals to 180 degree. Now POQ value is A, so we will write here A, plus QOR is B, so we will write B. Then ROS is C, so we will write C equals to 180. Now A will be A, then this B, value of B is given to us in question A plus C, so we will write here A plus C equals to 180 degree. Or you can solve by A plus C. So in question it is given that A plus C equals to B. So we can arrange this, we can write this as A plus C plus B equals to 180. Now A plus C is equals to B. So in place of A plus C I will write only B plus B equals to 180. B plus B, 2B equals to 180, and B equals to how much? 180 by 2, so B equals to 90 degree. Then question number 9. Question number 9, angle ABC you are having in diagram, and it is given that AB is perpendicular to BC at B. So this B total will be 90 degree, and you are having x plus 20, this one is 2x plus 1 degree, and this one is 7x minus 11 degree. Now we have to find the value of x and complement of angle x. So first is let this is P, this is Q. Now we are having a 90 degree here, ABC. Angle ABC is 90 degree because it is given in question that AB is perpendicular to BC. Now three angles we are having here. The first one is ABP, angle ABP plus PBQ. Then third is QBC equals to 180 degree. Now ABP, so ABP is x plus 20 plus PBQ is 2x plus 1, then QBC is 7x minus 11 equals to 180. Now x plus 2x plus 7x, so x plus 2x 3x, 3x plus 7x will be 10x. Then 20 plus 1 21, 21 and subtract 11 from it, so you will get 10 degree equals to 180. Now okay, sorry, this will be 90 degree because it is 90 degree given. This is not 180 because 90 degree is given. By mistake I have written here 180. Now 10 you have to transpose, so 10x equals to 90 minus 10, 10x equals to 80, and finally x equals to 80 by 10, so x equals to how much? 8 degree. So we got here our first answer, x equals to 8 degree. Now we have to find complement. Simply, as I told you, complement means what? 90 degree. So complement of 8 degree will be 90 minus 8 equals to 82. So 82 degree will be complement of x. Now question number 10. In question number 10, find the complement of. So complement you have to find. Again I am explaining the complement. Complement means what? 90 degree. So the first question is 25 degree. You have to write complement of 25 degree equals to 90 minus 25. So your answer will be 65 degree. So you have to subtract in this way for getting for finding complement. And second question you can solve. Third, what will be the complement of a degree? Simply you have to write complement of a degree equals to 90 minus a. Further you can't solve this, so this will be your final answer. Then complement of 30 minus a degree. So you have to write complement of 30 minus a degree equals to 90 minus in bracket 30 minus a. Now remove bracket, so 90 minus 30 and this minus will be plus a. So 90 minus 30, 60 plus a. So 60 plus a will be complement for 30 minus a. So one more question. Find the complement of 1/3 of 180. So again 90 minus 1/3 of 180. So 90 minus 1/3 means 1/3, of means multiply, and 180. 3 1 ja, 360 ja. So 90 minus 60, 30 degree. So 30 degree will be complement of 1/3 of 180. So you have to subtract from 90 for find complement of any value. Then one more question. 21 degree 17 minutes. Now you have to subtract this value from 90 degree. So we are having 1 degree and 1 minute. So for that we have to convert this 90 degree. So you can write this 90 degree as 89 degree and 60 minutes, because 1 degree equals to 60 minute and 1 minute equals to 60 second. This is representation of degree, and this is for minute and this is for second. So you can write 89 degree 60 minutes for 90 degree, subtract 21 degree 17 minutes. Now subtract this, so you will get 43 minutes, and 9 minus 1 8, 8 to 6. 68 degree 43 minute will be your required answer. Then supplement. For supplement you have to subtract from 180. So I think question first, second you can solve, third you can solve. The fourth one is x plus 35 degree. So supplement of x plus 35 degree equals to 180 minus x plus 35. So 180, now remove bracket, so minus x minus 35. So 180 minus 35, you will get 145 minus x. So this is the required supplement of x plus 35. Then 110 degree minus x minus 2y degree. Again you have to find supplement. So for that you have to subtract this value from 180. So 180, now remove bracket, minus 110, this will be plus, because minus minus plus, and this minus plus 2y. So 180 minus 110, 70 plus x plus 2y. So this will be the required supplement of this angle. Now you can solve question number 11, the last question I am solving here. 80 degree 49 minutes 25 seconds. So you have to subtract this from 180 degree. So you will write 179 degree, 59 minutes and 60 seconds, because 180 degree, so from here we got 179 degree and 1 degree equals to how much? 60 minutes. So I will write 59 minutes and 1 minute equals to how much? 60 seconds. So I will write 60 seconds. Now subtract 80 degree, 49 minute, 25 second. So 5 and this will be 3, 35 seconds, 0 and 1, 10 minutes, then 9 and 9. So 99 degree, 10 minutes, 35 seconds. This is required answer, because as I told you, 1 degree equals to 60 minutes and 1 minute equals to 60 seconds. So till question number 13 you can solve.